Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring. Run Lighthouse or Chrome DevTools to get the LCP metric and identify the candidate element. Once you know the element, check server response time and any render blocking CSS or JS that delays Paint. Now, make sure to enable HTTP/2 or a CDN and set caching headers for static assets. These reduce TTFB and resource fetch time. Also, defer non-critical scripts. This immediately shifts bandwidth to the element that defines LCP. Once done with prerequisites, focus on the critical path. Inline the minimal critical CSS that styles the LCP element and defer or async the rest so rendering can start sooner. You should optimize images. Serve AVIF/WebP or compressed JPG/PNG with proper SRC set for device sizes, because the hero image often is LCP. Preload the font or hero image to prioritize them in the browser pipeline, and remove or split unused JS, so parsing and execute. You finish by remeasuring LCP across real devices and network conditions. Aim for under 2.5 seconds on mobile. Make sure to audit long tasks in the main thread. Apply code splitting and web workers where possible to reduce blocking. If LCP still spikes, inspect for network throttling, slow web fonts, or heavy third-party scripts that inject late content. Remove or defer them. One quick troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable third-party scripts. If LCP improves, reintroduce them selectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.